Hello and welcome to ORICtober, a celebration of the Oric 1 computer in the month of October 2021. So I've done a couple of videos already focused on games, and I didn't want to do too many videos just about Oric games, but wanted to get into more of the technical aspects of the Oric, getting to program the Oric. However, there is one or two games that I would still like to show you, and this one in particular is one of the first games that I remember getting hold of back in the day. I'm talking about late 83, early 84. I hadn't had my Oric too long, but it really made me kind of sit up and go, oh wow, the Oric can actually do a decent arcade game, because I hadn't really seen anything like that up to this point in time. So the game's called Xenon 1, and I would like to load it and show you how it plays. So I'll start loading as per normal. And by the way, I'm just going to give you a quick preview of the sound. I did get a comment from a friend on Twitter that they couldn't hear the loading sound. So I'm just going to put it on really just so that you've got an idea of it. So I'm going to start loading and you'll see the screen, but you won't be able to really hear me because it's pretty loud. So here goes. Right, blissful silence again. So the game's going to take about 4 minutes to load, so I will come back when it's virtually finished loading. Okay, the game's just about loaded, and I wanted to show the end of the loading because what you get is this wonderful starting screen. And I've now figured out how to make my webcam at least slightly better show um, the TV screen, and the trick is to turn the brightness up on the TV basically, so we don't get true blacks, otherwise the webcam gets all funny. Anyway, here we are. So when I first saw that start screen, I was absolutely beside myself. I was just so excited to see something so polished on the Oric. I hadn't really seen anything like this up to this point in time. So let's get into it. Let's change the volume because we really need to be able to hear a bit of the Oric's sound, right? A skill level. I'm going to put it down to the easiest possible skill level because I know that I haven't really played this game much in about 36 years or something. Um, and you can see the instructions there gives the well, don't need instructions. It shows you the controls. If I press instructions, then it kind of tells you what you got to do. Kill the bird ards on level 1, then destroy these large ards, which you'll see that they break into 2. Then the meteorites or meteor level. Then get the paratroopers, the paratrons, and then get the battle star. And then of course, well, there's something called refueling, which we'll see. Anyway, you can imagine being 14 or 15 years old. In fact, I was 13 or 14 years old when I saw this. How exciting this must have felt. So let's get into it and start playing it. And forgive me for how rubbish I am at this game. Okay. I didn't really say much there because I was concentrating so hard on not dying. This is even harder because these guys, if when they drop on the floor, you're too close. Like not even like that. No matter direct hit. If they explode on the floor and you're too close, you will die. So the trick is to try and get through this level as quick as possible, because then the meteorite level comes. And the problem here is that the fuel keeps going down. You can't refuel until, oh my god, I've never died on this level. Right, let's just start again. That was absolutely terrible. The trick is to get through to the end without losing without running out of fuel, which is easier said than done because you can only refuel at the end of the game or at the end of a level. Oh, come on. I'm trying to be too cocky there. I'm trying to shoot. What the hell? Oh, man. Okay, well, I hope you don't mind watching me being rubbish at this game. Oh, that's how you're supposed to do it. I used to be able to hit these eggs on the way down and get extra points, which was like, you know, obviously what you're trying to do. Yes. Okay, now I'm starting to motor a little bit. Right. So let's get through this. I would like to at least get to the battle star. And as I say, I haven't really played this game since about 1984. I can't remember when Xenon 1 came out. It might have been 83 actually, but anyway, when I got hold of it, it was 84. And I definitely got pretty good at it. I was more fascinated by how it actually does the graphics. I mean, you can see that it's quite pretty, I thought, but prettier than I'd seen, you know, in many other games up to that point in time. So here, these paratroopers, or paratrons, or whatever they're called, they come down, and if they get to the bottom before you shoot them, they sit there trying to stab you, as you can see. So the little buggers. But if you hit that green spaceship, it does clear them. Now the challenge here is that you're trying to get between 10 and 30 of them, and I don't think I've had many yet. And I've missed the green thing as well. So now I'm going to have to try and... No, I've missed it again. I think I'm going to run out of fuel before I get to the end of this level, but at least I'll restart on this level. And I realise that I've been going for 7 minutes now. But, right, I'll start with full fuel at least, so I think I'll get through to the next level. We're just going to shoot 10 of these paratroopers. They're being shy. They're being shy. Oh, man. Anyway, nice sound effects. I quite like the graphics. Good use of colour, I feel. Come on. Smooth scrolling on everything. Pretty good. Okay, good. Now I've got to basically get through shoot through the wall while avoiding the bullets from these invincible guards who get lower and lower. Now I'm going to try to hit that white... Oh my god! I'm trying to hit that white... Oh, and it also makes me start again. I'm trying to hit the white dots in the middle. I can do this. I can do this. Bear with me. Bear with me. I'm going to do it. Come on. Oh. Come on now. Wow, this is so annoying. I don't think there's any skill to actually seeing that dot, so I'm just gonna... Yeah, there we go. Thank goodness. And now, I think I have an opportunity to... Where's the fueling? I thought there was a fueling level. Anyway, it's... I don't get it. But it goes back to the start. It's a lovely game. I think the graphics are pretty. The action becomes quite frenetic. Like I'll just give you an example. I've just tried to die on purpose, but if I go to the menu again and up the skill level, okay, so let's make it hard. That was easy level. Let's see how hard looks. You see that the bullets are moving much faster. Oh, you see how quick it... Whoa, that was close, wasn't it? So yeah, so basically I'm going to die very quickly, I think. No. So basically the bullets move a lot faster. I mean, it's hardly fair, right? Okay, didn't last long. So that's Xenon 1. I really liked this game back in the day, And I'm sorry it's another 10-minute video, but it's because I was so rubbish at it and you had to watch me go through more than one attempt to get through each of these little levels. And I was using easy level, you just saw what hard level looks like. So I might do another one, another game that is. I really like Krillis and Probe 3. There's a couple that I just think shows the kind of games that people were making back in the 80s. And then I want to talk a bit about the Oric itself, programming it, its features, some of the curios and idiosyncrasies about the way the machine works. And then later on, it would be good to, I think, show you some of the modern software, or certainly within the last sort of decade or so, that people have been creating for the Oric. Some amazing things that people have got the Oric to do, which even when you look at something like Xenon 1, you wouldn't think the Oric would be able to do some of the things that people subsequently did. So if you're still watching this video at this 11-minute point, thank you very much. And maybe I'll see some of you at the Retro Computer Festival in Cambridge on Saturday, the 9th of October. It'd be amazing to see people who might be interested in similar things to me. But either way, thank you very much for watching this video and see you on the next.